Hey up guys, I'm probably going to get a lot of friction with this video, but I've wanted to post it for a while. Let's talk about music theory versus feel. Music theory doesn't kill feel. Avoiding it does. And most guitar players have been taught the exact opposite. Music theory is not a creative prison. It's a descriptive map, and refusing to learn it usually limits you far more than learning it ever could. No doubt you've probably heard this before. Jimi Hendrix didn't know theory, so why should I? Well, let me tell you, that sentence has held more guitar players back than any bad exercises ever could. And here's the part nobody explains properly. Hendrix absolutely understood harmony. He just didn't learn it from a book. He learnt it by playing, listening, and absorbing it. So what is music theory really? Music theory is simply the language that we use to describe that understanding afterwards. So when people say Hendrix didn't need theory, what they really mean is he didn't need academic labels to make great music. And I think this is where people get confused. Music theory doesn't tell you what to play, it explains what you're already hearing. So when players learn things like substitutions or secondary dominants, they aren't adding any rules to their playing. They're naming the sounds that their ear already hears and then gaining faster ways to reach them deliberately. And if you hear a sound that you like, theory just helps you find it again in any key without guessing. Avoiding theory doesn't make you more natural. In fact, most of the time, it just makes your progress accidental. You end up relying on shapes and habits without knowing why something works. Your ear still develops, yes, I agree, but slower. And who has that kind of time in today's society? And when you play with other musicians, everything takes longer to explain. It's as simple as that, guys. That's not freedom, that's friction. And in my opinion, this idea falls apart when you look closely at the players people call pure feel icons. Prince moved through dense chord ideas effortlessly, yet nothing he played sounded stiff or academic. Frank Zappa used advanced rhythmic and harmonic concepts constantly, while openly mocking the idea that knowledge somehow kills creativity. They didn't lose feel because they understood more, they gained control. So the real divide was never theory versus feel, it was always whether theory is serving the music or replacing it. When theory is taught badly, it feels like rules, like permission, like something you have to check back before you're allowed to play. But that's not what it's for. At its best, theory is descriptive. It looks at what already sounds good and explains why it works. That's why players who understand theory don't sound boxed in. They sound intentional. I mean, think about it like a map. A map doesn't tell you where you must go. It just shows you where you are and what roads exist. You're still free to take the long way, you're still free to wander, you're even free to get lost. But if you refuse to look at the map, you're not choosing freedom, you're just spending more time guessing. And here's the irony most players miss. The guitarists who sound most free are usually the ones who know exactly where they are. They know the harmony underneath what they're playing, and they know why a note works. And they choose consciously when to step outside it. That's not theory killing feel, that's theory giving feel a steering wheel. If this way of thinking about music theory made things feel clearer rather than heavier, that's exactly how I teach everything here. No jargon, no academic nonsense. Just simple systems that help you understand what you're already hearing. And if you want to keep going, I've put some links below to get some structured lessons and some resources that build on this idea properly. And hey, if you're not ready for that yet, that's fine too. Just take one thing from this video. Theory isn't there to tell you what to play, it's there to help you choose. Make sure you hit that subscribe.